What if you could hand a massive 50-page project management plan to an AI and instantly interrogate it? No Control F, no endless scrolling, just direct answers about your timelines, architecture, and risk factors.
Tools used in this video. All the tools are open source free. All the tools are installed in local machine. Method: the no-code/low-code way, fastest. No technical skills are required.
In this video, we are breaking down exactly how RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, makes this happen. We're going to upload a real Python Flask project plan, ask it complex questions about our milestones, and peek under the hood to see how the AI finds the exact answer in seconds. Let's dive in. Standard large language models are brilliant, but they have a fatal flaw. They only know what they were trained on. They don't know about your private company files, your specific code base, or the project plan you started in January 2026.
That's where RAG comes in. Instead of retraining a massive model, which costs a fortune, RAG acts like an open book exam for your AI. It gives the model a library of your documents to read from before it drafts an answer.
When we upload our documents, 3 things happen behind the scenes. 1. Ingestion and chunking. The AI doesn't read the whole PDF at once. It breaks our document down into smaller, bite-sized paragraphs or chunks, keeping sections like system architecture and risk management distinct. 2. Vector embeddings. These chunks are converted into numerical vectors using an embedding model. Think of this as giving every sentence a set of GPS coordinates based on what it means. 3. The retrieval loop. When I type a question like, "What is our target checkout latency constraint?" the system converts my query into a vector, finds the closest matching chunks from our PDF, and hands them to the LLM. The LLM reads that specific context and spits out the perfect answer. Technology stack. Ollama, the orchestration engine that hosts, manages, and executes large language models directly on your local machine. Gemma 4, Google's state-of-the-art, lightweight open-source LLM, utilized as the core intelligence framework for generating precise text responses. Nomic Embed Text, a high-performance, open-weights embedding model that converts your raw document text into mathematical vector coordinates for semantic search. AnythingLLM, the unified application workspace serving as both the user-facing front-end chat interface and the local vector database for document storage. Let us install Ollama server. Ollama is one of the popular open-source LLM. Go to ollama.com, click on the download and select OS. Run the download file and install. http://localhost 11434/ give the message. Ollama is running. Go to terminal, type Ollama. The commands are displayed. Ollama serve command also will start the Ollama server. Some of the frequently used commands are run, stop, list, rm, etc. Let us install few LLM. Go to Ollama website and click on models. Various models are listed here with tier size, number of parameter, etc. Select Llama 3.2 and copy the instruction to install. Model will be downloaded in the local machine. It will take few minutes depending on your machine and the size of the model. When it is done, you can type some prompts and check. Let us ask, what is the capital of USA? And the model gives the answer, which proves the model is installed and working. Type / and buy to exit the model. To run Gemma 4 in your local machine, first you have to install Ollama, the high-level LLM runtime engine. Then go to the command window and run the command. Ollama run Gemma 4. In few minutes, when you see the success message, you can test by giving a prompt. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command to download an embedding model for searching your data. Ollama, pull Nomic Embed Text. You should see the success message. Go to the official website, AnythingLLM.com/desktop, and download the installer for your specific operating system. Go to the Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded.dmg file. Drag the AnythingLLM icon into your Applications folder. When you open AnythingLLM for the very first time, it will take you through a brief 3-step setup wizard. Or you can open Settings, set your LLM provider to Ollama, and select Gemma 4, latest, or whatever model you downloaded. For the vector database, keep the default built-in option, LanceDB. Set your embedding provider to Ollama and select Nomic Embed Text. Open AnythingLLM application and create a new workspace. Click the plus icon near the search to create a new workspace. Let us call it online_shopping. Click on the upload arrow near the workspace name to upload a document. Drag and drop the project plan in PDF format. Click on the Move to Workspace button. Click on the Save and Embed button on the right panel. Click on the Pen button near the document name. Now we are ready to give a prompt to get response from the content of the document. Let us give the prompt. What is Phase 4 in the project? The model gave the correct response with core objectives and key deliverables. Let us do one more test. How many human resources are used in this project? The answer should be 4. 1 project manager, 2 developers, and 1 validation engineer. The RAG gave correct answer. Let us ask the AI, who is the project manager? We should get a response. Tom Cruise. Yes, we got the right answer.
Let us give one more prompt. What are the hardware and software requirements for this project? The AI pulled the right information from the document. We upload 4-page PDF document, which took less than a minute to store in the vector database. The response for this prompt also took less than a minute. This is a local Mac Mini with Apple M 4-chip and 16 gigabytes memory. The response from the AI with RAG was very good. If you found this comprehensive recap helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI tutorials and tech updates.